Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Bestway 58390E Flowclear 1500 GPH filter pump, renowned as one of the best pool pumps on the market. Whether you're setting up a new pool or upgrading your current filtration system, this pump promises efficiency and reliability. Let's explore why this could be the perfect addition to your pool setup. At its core, the Bestway 58390E Flowclear pump is designed to efficiently circulate water in above-ground pools ranging from 300 to 8,400 gallons. It boasts a robust flow rate of 1,500 gallons per hour, ensuring your pool water remains crystal clear throughout the swimming season. The pump effectively filters debris and contaminants, ensuring clean and hygienic pool water. Equipped with a 110 to 120 volt energy-saving plug, it allows you to set timers for automated operation, saving both energy and costs. Designed for easy setup, it includes 1.5-inch pump valves and 1.25-inch adapter valves, ensuring compatibility with various pool systems. Crafted from durable plastic, the pump is built to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. To maximize its effectiveness, consider pairing it with Type 3A/C filter cartridges, which are sold separately. This combination ensures optimal filtration and extends the life of your pump. To wrap up, the Bestway 58390E Flowclear 1500 GPH filter pump stands out for its powerful filtration, energy efficiency, and easy setup. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to maintain a sparkling clean pool without the hassle. Whether you're a first-time pool owner or upgrading your existing system, this pump offers great value for your investment. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on top-notch products like the Bestway 58390E Flowclear pump. Until next time, happy swimming!